The DJI Mavic 3 Pro stands as the latest and the most advanced flagship drone in the DJI store. Its cutting-edge features and remarkable capabilities make it a worthy investment, offering an exceptional flying experience for all drone enthusiasts. To elevate your Mavic 3 Pro experience, you can complement your drone with a few essential accessories. These add-ons are designed to enhance your drone's capabilities and offer an even better flying experience. So in this video, we've come up with some must-have accessories for DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Let's check them out.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
The DJI goggles 2 are designed to be compact, easily transportable, and comfortable to wear for extended periods of time. With two high-quality 1080p micro OLED screens and a maximum refresh rate of 100 Hz, the goggles can display vivid, lifelike colors and precise highlight shadow details thanks to the 10-bit enhanced display. Additionally, the goggles offer the ability to adjust the diopter from -8.0D to +2.0D, ensuring a clear and personalized viewing experience. Moreover, the DJI O3 Plus video transmission system provides an ultra-low latency connection for a more immersive flying experience, opening up new possibilities for capturing stunning aerial footage. For those who have a passion for travel blogging or capturing wide-angle shots, the DJI wide-angle lens for Mavic 3 Pro is a must-have accessory. This add-on increases the field of view of the Hasselblad lens from 84 degrees to 108 degrees and offers an equivalent focal length of 15.5mm. This means you can capture stunning wide-angle shots of nature's beauty or get a wider perspective of urban landscapes in a single frame. Whether you're a professional photographer or an amateur, the DJI wide-angle lens is perfect for capturing breathtaking visuals that will leave a lasting impression on your audience. It can be incredibly frustrating to receive a low battery warning in the middle of your flight, especially when you still have a lot of filming to do. The Mavic 3 Pro drone typically comes with only one intelligent flight battery, which may not be sufficient for lengthy aerial shots. However, if you do not wish to spend a significant amount of money on the Fly More combo, which includes 2 additional batteries and some other accessories, you can simply purchase an extra intelligent flight battery for your Mavic 3 Pro. Without the charging hub, owners of the standard Mavic 3 Pro version may find themselves limited to charging batteries individually if they acquire additional ones. This can prove to be a hassle, especially if one intends to go for a morning flight session and all batteries are depleted. However, with the use of a battery charging hub, multiple batteries can be charged simultaneously overnight, ensuring they're fully charged and ready for use the following morning. Also, it operates in a smart sequence, charging batteries based on their current power level. This approach ensures that batteries with higher power levels are charged first, resulting in increased efficiency. Photographers can benefit from using the ND filter set in situations where they need to capture long exposure shots or when the lighting conditions are strong. These filters give skilled photographers precise control over the shutter speed, allowing them to capture seamless footage in bright environments even when using lower shutter speeds. By utilizing this set, photographers can ensure that their footage remains clear and smooth even when using a low ISO and opening the shutter to 180 degrees. The filters have been optimized specifically for use with tri-camera imaging systems, offering reduced light exposure for the telecamera to prevent underexposure, which can occur when the wide-angle and medium telecameras are properly exposed. The DJI 65-watt portable charger is a device that utilizes GaN technology, resulting in a smaller form factor while also delivering faster charging speeds. Equipped with 2 output ports, one USB-C and one USB-A, it's capable of simultaneously charging both the intelligent flight battery and RC. The device supports both PPS and PD protocols, enabling it to charge various devices including smartphones, laptops, and other compatible gadgets. With its versatile capabilities, the DJI 65-watt portable charger is a convenient and efficient solution for powering up your essential devices on the go. The DJI Convertible Carrying Bag is a versatile solution that offers two different configurations for carrying your DJI Mavic 3 series combo. It can be used as a shoulder bag, which provides ample space for all the accessories included in the combo and allows for easy access to the aircraft and other items. Alternatively, it can be configured as a backpack, which can accommodate the drone and its accessories, a 16-inch laptop, clothes, and other small essentials for daily use, making it an ideal choice for short trip. With its multiple options and stored space, this bag is a convenient and practical choice for transporting your DJI Mavic 3 series combo. So that was all about the must-have accessories for DJI Mavic 3 Pro just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thank you for watching our video. If you found it to be useful, please feel free to like, comment and share it with your friends, and if you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel.